What's going on, guys? Hope you guys all had a good FOMC trading day today. So market was very choppy. Not a whole lot of good price action that came in, obviously, until after the minutes were released. It's kind of been that way. We know the situation that we've been in. Obviously, current bear market. Anytime we get these FOMC meetings, anytime there's any sort of Fed talk or anything like that, market pretty much doesn't do anything until the notes are kind of released, and then it goes down and it goes up. There's a lot of volatility. There's some areas of opportunity to kind of make some money, but you have to really kind of pick your spots accordingly, not really get yourself chopped up during trading days like today. But I did take a trade in Nvidia today, so I'm going to be making another full breakdown on that, because what I've actually started to do is I opened up a small account. Well, I didn't really open up an account, but I've had a brokerage account at Robinhood that I kind of just, dabble in, adding some, longer term shares and this, that, and the other. But put in some money in there, going to do like a small account challenge, going to kind of update it, because I know a lot of you guys, complain about, with Robinhood, it's not that easy to day trade, which it's realistically it's not. It's not the best brokerage. I would definitely recommend to get the hell off of Robinhood if you're day trading. A lot of you guys fall under the PDT rule on Robinhood, so there's not a lot of real moves. It's not real beneficial to an active day trader, right? There's other serious options out there, but I do want to show that it is still possible to grow a small account, regardless of the platform that you're trading on. So I'll be kind of doing some follow-up videos on that as we get going here. But what I'm looking at on Nvidia is the close at 151.30, was up $1.66 today. So, just about 1 percentage point, nothing too special. One thing that I am going to point out here is we did barely close over the 5-day moving average. So we got to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt until they prove us wrong. Okay, so Nvidia coming off of that lower Bollinger Band at $140.55 today, first close over the 5-day moving average. I'm looking at Nvidia two ways here. Semiconductors looked fairly decent, and the first way that I'm going to be looking at Nvidia is just very simple. Over today's highs, 153.25. Anything over 153.25 definitely has room to push into 157 the end of this week. That would be the 10-day moving average. I would not look for any stretch higher than that. I'm not going to get greedy. I'm not going to look for some massive mega trade. We're still under the 50-day moving average, so everything right now is just a dead cat rally until proven otherwise. So let's just look at today's highs. As soon as we can clear out today's highs, let's give that an indication to go long. Let's obviously take profits into the next supply zone. Now, if we do kind of gap up or chop around a little bit, and then we start to roll over and we lose this daily 5-day moving average, anything below 147.75 is a short position. Let's keep it very simple. Over today's highs is going to be a long position. We're going to be taking profits into that 155, 156, 157 zone. Anything below today's low of day, 148, 147.75, somewhere in that vicinity, we will look to short Nvidia down. Now, if you guys want to kind of stay up to date on what kind of trades I got going on, join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. And then what we would be targeting to the downside would be going back to the first, and I'm going to be looking at this bottom wick here of around $143. So we got 2 days left to trade with here. We're not going to get too overextended. We're not going to do anything foolish or nothing stupid. If the trade doesn't set up, the trade doesn't set up. And when the trade gives us an opportunity to go long or short, we will definitely take that. But I just kind of wanted to mark out those levels so you guys had a clear indication as to what we're kind of looking at. Hope this video helps. Again, still under the weather here. Still getting out of breath with the whole COVID thing here. Energy levels are not 100%, so that's why I'm really not shooting out a ton of videos. I'm trying to do my best here, but it is what it is. We got to deal with it. With that being said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.